Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload file and database in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, we'll upload our website files and then we'll upload the database. Start by logging into your Hostinger H panel. Click on the website section from left side and then click Dashboard next to your website. From the left menu, select the domain where you want to upload your website files. Now click on File Manager. Once there, open the public_HTML folder and then click Upload at the top. Select File from menu, choose your website file, usually a ZIP file, and click Open. Your website files will start uploading. While the files are uploading, let's create a database. Go back to your Hostinger dashboard, click on Databases and select Management. Enter a database name, then create a MySQL username and password. Once done, click Create. Your database will now be successfully created. Scroll down and click on Enter phpMyAdmin. Inside PHP MyAdmin, click Import from the top. Then click Choose File, select your database file, which is SQL file from your computer, and click Open. Scroll down and click Import. Your database will begin importing, and once done, it will be uploaded successfully. Now go back to your file manager to check your uploaded files. Once your ZIP file is uploaded, right-click on it and select Extract. Create a new folder name, click Extract, and open the folder. Press Ctrl+A to select all files, then click Move at the top. Move these files into the public_HTML folder, and once the path shows public_HTML, click Move. Now that your files are in the right place, scroll down to find the wp-config.php file. Right-click on it and select Edit. You'll need to update your database details here. Go back to your Hostinger dashboard, copy your database name, and paste it into the config file. Then copy your MySQL username and paste it here. Then enter your password here. Once done, click Save. Finally, go back to the Management section, click Overview, and open your website link. As you can see, your website is now live and working perfectly. And that's it. So that is how you can upload file and database in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.